whatever is I'm doing right now, the whole credit goes to you.
Yeah.
Because I'm a very lazy person where
You're putting efforts.
presentation is concerned, and you making me do it is like, thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you, Prathamesh. I'm so grateful to you.
Amazing.
Because you break it down so well. You break it down so well. Especially I told it is like something as simple as just add that bread, add that this. Small bread, that sunny side up picture that you shared. It was so doable. Like you don't have to really think a lot. Even when you see the picture, you feel, I can do this. It's not that bad. I don't need so many ingredients.
Yeah. Debani, after this guided photo shoot of 25th June, what did you learn?
First of all, I learned to play with the napkins, which I was doing wrongly. How to use napkins the correct way. Napkins or any flowy fabric, first of all. That is one thing. And how the props also should be proportionate to the composition. Like I started with a bigger plate compared to my this. So as you pointed out that my main dish should actually, the size should be nearly 50 to 60% covering the frame, and not it was basically that big plate was all over the space, which was overpowering the whole composition. So I learned that the size matters. So I saw that even the cutlery, crockery size matters, because you do not want the prop to be overpowering the dish. That's again one thing. And about the diagonal composition, then how just for the light, for my basil leaf which I was using, everything was white, but how that basil leaf was suddenly standing out, and to get it little more muted, I had to use that inverse law, where I kept my whiteboard literally slanting like this, close to the plate, so that the reflection gets onto the leaf and it gets muted. The darkness of the leaf gets muted. Then in the egg wala picture, I understood that it was shadows. The reference pic which I was trying to copy, it had dark shadows, but I tried to create it, but I did not have dark shadows. I had more of diffuse shadow. That is when my composition looked having more of negative space and looked empty.
Yeah.
And for that I need to not take the light source close to the food, but little away and little more sharp. A stronger light I have to take. And I think I learned a lot.
That's nice. In a single shoot.
Absolutely. And now, not to forget the Snapseed app.
Yeah.
How to edit that, the current composition, and get the white balance in place, because I was using the yellow light. My light was yellow. That's why my white food did not look very white. So I have to work on that and get it into white. If I make it too much to the extremes, it will get blue in the blue tone. So I need to play around and reduce more the left hand side, so that the white balance is maintained well and the actual feel comes.
Yeah.
Anything else am I missing? Again, another thing was a little bit about color contrast. I was trying to use a similar, the cheese, my bread and the pasta was getting nearly all similar colors. So I had to little bit grill the bread to differentiate a different tone. That again another thing which I felt is important. That small change. Am I missing something?
Yeah, nice. In a single shoot itself, like you have grown so much. Yeah. You talk in my language then. Now.
Thanks to you. I have to copy my mentor. So
yeah, amazing.
That to have you. And This is whatever I'm doing right now, the whole credit goes to you. Because I'm a very lazy person where
You are doing, you're putting efforts.
presentation is concerned, and you making me do it is like, thank you.
Amazing. Good going. That's nice. Like I did not expect like you would come up with this 2-3 points you would say, and I thought, okay, theek hai, that's nice. Like she learned a lot. But when I think about it, at least 5 to 8 points आपने बोला, and it made sense. Like बहुत सारी चीजें आपके click हुए होंगे आज by doing this shoot. Yeah, and it all started with that motivation. चलो करते हैं आप कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं.
मैंने actually सोचा हुआ था कि Sunday I may be missing the class, and last Sunday I missed, so I was feeling very bad. I said यार ये 2 दिन मैंने start किया कि मैं वापस ठप होना नहीं चाहती. So I said today I had no plans to shoot. Initially I had, but because I was not prepared for shooting anything, to be honest. Neither had I. But then when I saw the images, the Pinterest images, then I saw your work over there, then I saw only RPG shooting. I said, I'm losing out on the opportunity to get guided.
Yeah.
Even if I'm going to do wrong, even if I'm going to do the most stupidest thing, I will shoot.
Yeah.
Even if I get one click, but then, वो करते at least we shot at least these concepts which I've been just listening to.
Yeah.
That application of that concept was amazing.
Yeah. As my friend says, he says version 1 is better than version none.
Yeah, I mean, मैं खुद भी बोल रही थी कि I was also thinking that after a few months when I'm going to see my pictures, to see that transition only when I start.
Yeah, वो रहता ना एक emotion.
Making me do things is like, thank you, Prathamesh. I'm so grateful to you.
Amazing.
Because you break it down so well. Especially I told it is like something as simple as just add that bread, add that this. All bread, that sunny side up picture that you shared. It was so doable. Like you don't have to really think a lot. Even when you see the picture, you feel, I can do this. It's not that bad. I don't need so many ingredients.
Yeah. That's the thing. Like make it more approachable, and also it's just basically like the ideas are always there in your head, right? And if you just like take 2 or 3 steps and add some elements which everyone knows, right? We talked about that big idea someday before.
Yeah.
So we just need to add. We know what people want. We actually know what people want. Be it your marketing, be it your photos, videos, design, whatever. We actually know what we want. But it's just that we are unaware how to do it, right?
Yeah.
So if you just add those things or stop doing whatever the things are not happening in that sense, if you just get to that place that majority of people would agree, okay, this makes sense, then you will get your picture, video, ad copy, whatever, right? The whole thing is like we are interacting with the world. So what the world wants, just have a database of that and you will get your output very well.
And you are also giving very interesting concepts. Like when I saw something white, like last time it was something starting with B. So everybody has a thinking hat on क्या हो सकता है, B, banana हो सकता है, maybe, brownies तो चिराग ने किया, बहुत सुंदर से किया. So you have that fun element also comes instead of thinking अब मैं क्या shoot करूँ. Because see, people who are bakers or who are into that business, they know I have made it. I want to click it because I want to मेरा promotion हो जाएगा. I need good pictures to sell. But people like me who wants to start as a freelancing photographer for restaurants, for anything else. You have to start somewhere with some product, right?
Correct.
So that is very, very important. Even I like when you were explaining us visual aesthetics, you had made us do the patterns. You showed your series of patterns.
Yeah.
Had done with tomatoes and all those things which you have done.
Yeah.
It's also a very aspirational thing.
Yes. Like that's my favorite thing. आज मैंने जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन सेट किए थे ना, फुल फ्रूट्स जाके लेकर आया मैंने. आज में भी ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगा. आई एम लाइक यार, आई डोंट वांट टू
Actually, to set that mood, na, just with a cherry वाला photo of yours.
yes.
यार ये इतना सिंपल सा तो है, कटोरी है और चेरीज है, इतना खूबसूरत लग रहा है वो.
Yeah, it's all about the lighting, it's all about the color combinations and everything.